Hey everybody, it is your favorite activity of physics class. We started off our class back in August with this type of activity and we're going to finish with it. We're exploring spring oscillations. Okay, I went into school thinking I got most everything, but I forgot a stand. So this is my little makeshift stand. Good times. Every time I made a comment on wanting to make changes to the color of my house, you can see in the background that is my pinkish, fleshy, but not fleshy tone. Pretty awesome. I should be painting. Well, I don't really have that much time on my hands, but anyways. So things we're gonna do, let's get to it, is gonna explore spring oscillations. What do I mean by spring oscillations? Right? It's not necessarily how far it stretches, but watch what's going on here, right? The question today is, what do you observe? What can we measure and how would we measure it? Okay? So I hope the resolution works out well enough for that. So when you're watching this mouse on a spring, what things could we measure? Okay? I'm going to try to show things that we could vary. I think you're anticipating it already. Oh. Hi, puppy. How are you? Yeah? Hi, Grace. Hi, Grace. Grace, stop. Grace, stop. Stop. Shoot. Okay. So I only do one video unless it messes up. So what could we do and what could we measure? Hey babe. Okay. Right. Oh, stop. Sit. Sit, Grace. Sit, Grace. Sit. Thank you. Thank you. No, I was gonna lower that down. Hi babe. Okay, so back to it. This is an exciting video. What can you observe? Right? What things can we vary? Okay. So in your discussion board, I know this is kind of out of whack right now. In your discussion board, you are going to list what can we measure, right? And what can we change? What are our independent and dependent variables from this activity? So we usually made some observations. From the observations, we said, what could we measure? How could we measure it? And from there, we identified our independent and dependent variables. So that's ultimately what I'm going to ask about is, what are your dependent variable and what are your independent variables? Okay? And then once you do it, you'll be able to see others and take some input from them. That is my mouth up in the corner and my nose. How's that? The famous Falkenberg profile. Folks, I feel like I'm video journaling every time I hear from like one of you, two of you maybe. So I hope you guys are well. That's my line. It's true. I do hope you're doing things all right. I know I'm kind of going bonkers, extrovert in an introvert's world, and testing my love for my puppy for sure. So yeah, let's get some sunny days ahead, and we'll see how this goes. Bye.